we stand before your presence, hearts uncovered, spirits still, walls of fear and condemnation fall before your perfect will. At the cross you cried, it is finished. Chains were broken as you died. Now by grace we cross the river into promise you provide. Blow the sound of grace, oh Lord. Let your finished work be heard. By your blood we enter in, by your spirit we are stirred. Blow the sound of grace, oh Lord. Let our hearts in faith arise. It is finished, it is done. We proclaim the sacrifice. Yeah. Not by striving, not by labor, we inherit what you've done. You have silenced every accuser by the victory of your Son. The walls of sin and shame are falling as we shout your holy name. Jesus Christ, the Lamb of glory. Yesterday, today, the same. Blow the sound of grace, oh Lord. Let your finished work be heard. By your blood we enter in, by your spirit we are stirred. Blow the sound of grace, oh Lord. Let our hearts in faith arise. It is finished, it is done. We proclaim the sacrifice. Oh, break every wall, Lord, tear them down. By the sound of grace resound. Let Jericho within me fall. Jesus, you are Lord of all. Not by might nor by my strength, but by the power of the Lamb once slain. We lift our voice, we lift our cry. Let resurrection power arise. Come on. Blow the sound of grace, oh Lord, over nations, over souls. Let the walls of sin be shattered. Let the captives be made whole. Blow the sound of grace, oh Lord. Let your people testify. It is finished, it is done. By the blood we're sanctified. Oh, it is finished. Lord, we rest in what you've done. Our battles fall to the ground at the sound of grace. one with you, my Lord.